we got more problems.
I picked up this BMW at an auction and it doesn't run at the moment. It seems like it might just need a battery, so fingers crossed that's all that's wrong with it. In this episode, we're gonna run some diagnostics to figure out what's really wrong with this car.
Things are happening. Let's see. We're out of gear. Will she start? Oh no. Uh-oh. We got more problems. So now that we have a good battery, I'm gonna try to scan it. Hopefully we could read some codes and see what's going on. Couldn't get any codes from the OBD, so I went ahead and just tested all the fuses and relays off camera. Didn't find anything concerning, so now I'm suspecting it's a bad starter. I'm gonna pull it out and test it. Okay. This starter is cooked. The pinion gear should shoot forward, but it doesn't move at all. I'll order a new starter and hopefully that's all she needs and we'll get this car running in the next episode.